Rhythm invades my veins marrow. Lights flicker, shadows stretch narrow. Hands move distorted in the blurred pain. Echoes of silence driving me insane. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray. Broken glass falling like teardrops. A forgotten map where time stops. Grinding gears where dreams collapse. Caged in the rhythm, can't elapse. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray. Fingers on strings, pulling the thread. Heartbeats pounding from moments unsaid. Every spark hiding what we're seeking. In the swirl of chaos, no time for speaking. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray. Yeah. Stacks taller than the skyline, touch the clouds. Chain so heavy, neck dripping, make it loud. VIP, velvet ropes, living life so wild. Pockets looking pregnant, my money birthed a child. Lit like a chandelier, vibe too insane. Big bottles popping, drown in the champagne. Whips outside, growling and just spit flame. Whole squad got vision, we in our own lane. Wrist doing laps like Olympic torch. Flip the hustle mountaintop, no need for the porch. Paper chase faster than a racehorse. Pocket rocket tucked, you don't want this force. Night turning lava, streets on fire. Energy explosive, push it higher. Diamonds dancing crazy, no liar. We own the night, city saviors admired. Lit like a chandelier, vibe too insane. Big bottles popping, drown in the champagne. Whips outside, growling and just spit flame. Whole squad got vision, we in our own lane. Money monopoly, the block is embossed. Took the L's and turned them to a win-loss cost. Cash machines humming, bands ain't soft. Street dreams packaged, no matter the cost. Trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living, where it's always fine. Barbecue, grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box Throw shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Hey! Late night lights, city shining in gold. Story after story, all the legends retold. Cruisers hit the streets, hear the engines purr. Low riders dipping, making heads turn for sure. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bassline flow. West Coast breeze got the beat so sweet. Keep it rolling steady, feel the heat. Feel the beat. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. City lights flicker where the sinners play preacher. Graffiti scriptures on train cars, a steel messenger. Cobblestone pathways, souls caught in a shuffle. Every breath's a gamble, life's one long scuffle. Sirens kiss the night with their mournful cries. Alleyway choirs sing the truth behind the lies. Broken glass mirrors, the dreams left for dead. Just a story that the old heads fed. Concrete jungle sermons spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold. Above and below, the streets stay cold. Clock ticking symphony, danger's baseline. Rats scurry faster, chasing shadowed lifelines. Moonlight hits the metal, chrome sparks glow. Temptation lingers, heavy where the shadows grow. Block wars wage where the cracks reveal scars. Currency exchanged in the shells of old cars. Young kings crowned with crowns made of sin. Pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within. Fast hands feed the slow with the devil's grip. Wisdom's just a phantom, those with power skip. Jazz in the back alleys narrates the decay. Trumpets echoing where the lost souls stay.